Incremental greetings. Finally, SuperMemo 19 is out. I'm late. That was September 25th, 2023. And for me, it caught me off guard because I was beta testing it. And it was released silently without no notification. And in my honest opinion, I don't even think it was the best timing. It's not ready. Especially because one of the few big updates is the web import. And yeah, kind of works. Not in Windows 10, not in Windows 11, and not in Chrome, in my case, at least today. I know it has been publicized that it will be released like this, and then it will be supported post-release. So you can use Chrome and other web browsers with different Windows versions. And I think, in my opinion, that's it. There are other nice to have features, which I will cover in other videos. But, dual support monitor in case you use multiple. That could be interesting. And for instance, concepts, if you used AutoHotkey, you will have achieved that by now. Nothing, it doesn't change the workflow at all. And then there are some features that are arcane. Most people are not using the features like sleep chart, plan, incremental email, or have more than 26 collections. So, yeah, nice that those have been updated, but most of the user base are not going to notice these updates. So, to the end of the day, is it worth it? Depends. I will suggest to update for people who start brand new. That's your first SuperMemo. Get 19, the latest released right away, because you will spend $30. It doesn't make much difference. I don't know how it is now. So what happens that the version doesn't get cheaper until the next release. So it doesn't matter next year, in 2 years, or since SuperMemo 18 was 4 years on the market. It doesn't get cheaper. It gets the same price tag until the next release comes out. So you can get the key now, because there's no need to wait, because it won't get any cheaper. And perhaps in the future, in the 19.01, 02, 20, whatever, they will be adding more features. And that's one, if you're brand new. Second, if you heavily rely on import feature, and you either don't want to use SuperMemo Assistant, which is one of the other reasons not to update. If you rely on SuperMemo Assistant, for now you will need to keep using SuperMemo 18. But let's say you don't want to use any AutoHotkey scripts, you don't want to rely on copy pasting, so you want a bulk import, a lot of tabs very often. Go ahead and get SuperMemo 19. Even if today it works, it's half-baked experience, because you will need to use ads, and especially in Windows 10. If you have Windows 11, you will get into issues here and there. And honestly, that's pretty much it. I don't think it's too weak of an upgrade to be paywalled. I mean, all of those go to last child's protection seen as a number instead of the percentage. Some of the things with YouTube scripts, getting a copy of the original, color coding, that could have been 1806 or 07 perfectly. For me, that is too weak to justify an upgrade. A paid upgrade for just this. You could have gotten this for free. So the question is, and some bug fixes, sorry, which by the way, some of those I reported myself, like ancestors. But again, this is super arcane. Who will be using the translation registry or the phonetic transcription, especially outside of the English collection? It's highly unlikely you will be using this. Or ancestors with more than 63 levels of nesting in hierarchy. Heavily unlikely. So if we take out what has been fixed, we take out what's arcane, I mean, it's nothing much. Nothing much, to be honest. I will leave it here. I will do another video standalone about my opinion, and you will get a playlist for updates in SuperMemo 19, what's new. I will cover web import, concepts, and some other tiny details, especially that are not found here. So if you read this, you will miss some details that are not advertised anywhere. It will make the video more worth watching. It is not just I'm doing the video version of the article. I will have more meaningful input. So yeah, that's it. 4 years for this. I know you may be thinking the same. So feel free to keep using SuperMemo 18. More videos coming. See you incrementally.